What is up, YouTube? It is me, Alejandro. What is up, y'all? The greats. Today, it's the day. We both doing the 1v1. You know, he's coming back Lil Rango. YouTube. Yeah, you already know. I'm coming back to YouTube. This is gonna be my first upload since the break. You know, and thank you for 228 subs. You know, I gotta show the love to y'all because you know y'all built my channel, and honestly, that's been that's been letting me know that like y'all want new videos and stuff. So like I'm coming out with a new video, obviously. But I mean, y'all all like Lil Rango. Yeah. You know, we had that 50K views video though with this guy right here, but you know it already got taken down by YouTube. But it's all good. CJ, would you like to lift up your head, please? Oh, thank you.
Light skin face.
Young guy.
Hey. You already know. Shout out to my new YouTube.
Oh yeah.
I started like a week ago.
Go follow Lil Rango on YouTube. He already has like 13 subs. We can get him to like at least 100. We can grow his channel too. That'd be great.
Yeah, well, my channel's not even a week old yet. We already got like 16 or 17 subscribers.
It's true. It's true.
No, search me up. Lil Rango on YouTube.
It's true.
LIL space RANGO. Lil Rango.
That's true.
Yeah, we finna do this 1v1 with Alethegreat. I'm gonna do another one on my channel too.
Yeah, that's right. It's true. That's true. It's true. That's Jodo.
Yeah. What up? Lil Rango on YouTube. Got my boy Alethegreat behind me right there. This is a 1v1 for his channel. The concrete's getting hot, so I'm gonna get up. But basically, we just did 1v1 for my channel. We're gonna do another one for him. It's a little hot out here, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's not a little, it's like above 95 it feels like. And we're just gonna pump this one out. We're gonna go to 15. Ones and twos. So, see how it goes. Alright, you can shoot the ball, or I'll shoot the ball.
What did you say?
Alright, let's go. Starting off good. I'm a rockstar I'm a champion like Super Bowl. Give me two options, I'll do it all. You ain't in my mind, you gotta race. Why you gonna lose slow as a race? I got my back up just in case. You gotta look time to find your place. I got two options, and you keep going. Stop.
Another one. He's on fire. 13-1. Oh my gosh, he made that one. He's getting hyped, folks.
to win. I need like 14.
Oh, it's sweaty.
Dude, you're making them curry threes, bro.
Hey man, say man. Lil Rango did his part in his other one. I think I won this one though. Let's be honest.
You think?
I went sweaty. I wasn't gonna go 1-0 or 2-0 actually. Just gonna go 1-1. But it's all good. He played good. I mean, the other 1v1 that he played, he beat my ass. I'm not even gonna cap. But I mean, it was still 1v1. Yeah, I was shooting curry range threes, like, bro. I was shooting it from like right here, and the hoop over there.
Look at Ollie, man. Look at Ollie, man. Inspirational. Subscribe to this channel.
Bro, and God, Lil Rango inspirational too. He inspired me to make my music, so I think that just about sums it up.
Yeah. You can check out my channel
at Lil Rango.
Lil
I'll
Rango.
put his link in the description. And let's try to get me to 300 subs by the end of this year, or at least like 500, or at least to 1K. I mean, that's my goal. I mean, I don't know where I'm gonna be at in like 10 years, but like 1,000 subs, and maybe like if one of y'all makes my video go viral or something, like I had at one time, like 50,000 viewers, that'd be cool too. But it's been real, guys. It's been me, Alejandro, Alethegreat. It's been Micah, Lil Rango, and we're out. Peace.